What role does machine learning play in improving HMI? Machine learning enhances HMI by enabling systems to learn from user interactions, improving responses, and personalizing experiences over time. Through continuous education, machines can better understand user preferences, behaviors, and context, making interactions more efficient and effective. Describe the role of artificial intelligence in modern HMI. Artificial intelligence, AI, plays a significant role in modern HMI by enabling machines to process natural language, recognize patterns, and adapt to user behavior. AI-powered systems like voice assistants and recommendation engines make interactions more imaginative and more intuitive by understanding and predicting user needs. Why is feedback considered a critical component in HMI systems? Feedback is critical in HMI systems because it ensures that users know the system's actions, confirming that their input has been received and processed. Without feedback, users may be uncertain if the system is functioning correctly, leading to confusion and reduced usability. How does touch-based interaction differ from voice-based interaction in HMI? Touch-based interaction relies on physical gestures like tapping or swiping to communicate with machines, while voice-based interaction uses spoken commands. Touch interactions are more tactile, whereas voice interactions allow for hands-free control, making them suitable for different use cases. What are the challenges of integrating emotion recognition in future HMI systems? Integrating emotion recognition in future HMI systems presents challenges such as accurately interpreting emotions, ensuring user privacy, and preventing misuse of sensitive data. Emotion recognition requires advanced algorithms and ethical considerations to avoid bias and ensure that users' feelings are respected and protected.